Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are all fine. Our today's topic is National Sports Awards. National Sports Awards. National Sports Awards. The Government of India has instituted some sports awards which are given to the sports persons who have an outstanding contribution in the field of games and sports. Outstanding contribution in the field of games and sports. And these awards are: number first, Arjuna Award. Number second, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Number third, Dronacharya Award. And number fourth, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy. These are the four sports awards which are given to the sports persons who have the outstanding contribution in the field of games and sports. The number first is Arjuna Award. Number first is Arjuna Award. This is the highest national recognition given to the sports persons who have an outstanding contribution in the field of games and sports. This award was instituted in the year 1961 by the Government of India. The awardee is presented with bronze statuette. The awardee is presented with bronze statuette of Arjuna. Bronze statuette of Arjuna, the legendary Pandava. A scroll and a cash prize of 15 lakh. And a cash prize of 15 lakh along with monogram and a tie. Monogram and a tie. The President of India presents this award every year on 29th of August. The President of India presents this award in 29th of August, which is the birthday of hockey wizard Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand, Olympian. Hockey wizard Dhyan Chand, Olympian. And the sports persons who have received this award, some of the sports persons who have received this award are Ishant Sharma, cricket. Ishant Sharma, cricket, and Divya Cochran, Ishant Sharma, Divya Cochran in wrestling. Ishant Sharma, cricket, Divya Cochran, wrestling, and Chirag Shetty and Chirag Shetty badminton, etc. ये कुछ खिलाड़ियों के नाम हैं जिन्होंने अर्जुना अवार्ड हासिल किया है. एंड नंबर सेकंड इज राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड. राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड. This award was instituted by the Rajiv Gandhi Trust of India in the year 1991-92. This award was instituted by the Rajiv Gandhi Trust of India in the year 1991-92 with the objective of motivating sportspersons towards the highest level of sports performance, towards the highest level of sports performance, and to intensify the spread of sports culture in the country, and to intensify the spread of sports culture in the country. The awardees who receive this award, they get the cash prize of, they were given the cash prize of 25 lakh. Cash prize of 25 lakh, scroll of honor and a plaque. Scroll of honor and a plaque. जो राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड, जो अवार्डी होते हैं उनको 25 लाख रुपीस कैश प्राइज दिया जाता है, एक स्क्रॉल ऑफ ऑनर and a plaque. This is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, which was instituted in the year 1991-92, and the awardees and some players, some sports persons who have received this Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award are Vishwanathan Anand chess, Sachin Tendulkar cricket, Virat Kohli Sachin Tendulkar cricket, Virat Kohli cricket, Abhinav Bindra shooting, Rohit Sharma cricket, and many more. These are the name of some players who have received this Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. ये कुछ खिलाड़ियों के नाम हैं जिन्होंने राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड हासिल किया है. उसके बाद नंबर थर्ड इज द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड. Dronacharya Award in recognition to such coaches and gurus. In recognition of such coach gurus, the government of India instituted Dronacharya Award. Dronacharya Award in the year 1985. In the year 1985, to honor eminent coaches who have made the outstanding contribution in the field of coaching. The awardees are thus motivated. They were motivated to dedicate themselves to raise the standard of sports persons in international events to bring glory to their country. To bring glory to their country. And Karan Singh is the name of a person, of a great sports person, the great physical educationist, and who have a lot of contribution, whose contribution will be written in golden words. इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है कोचिंग फील्ड में सुनहरी अल्फाज में लिखने के काबिल है, बिकॉज ही हैज प्रोड्यूस्ड, who has trained more than a dozen international repute athletes. उसने 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा इंटरनेशनल रिप्यूट एथलीट्स को प्रिपेयर किया, जिन्होंने अपने डिफरेंट फील्ड्स में इंडिया के लिए बहुत सारे मेडल्स लाए. इसका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. And the awardees, the awardees were given a cash prize of, in this award, the awardee receives a cash prize of 15 lakh. Cash prize of 15 lakh and a bronze statuette of Dronacharya. Bronze statuette of Dronacharya. A scroll, blazer and a tie. A scroll, blazer, tie. So this award, Dronacharya Award, it's given to the eminent coaches, gurus, जिनका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स के फील्ड में. और जिन्होंने करण सिंह, जिसका मैंने अभी नाम लिया, उनका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है कोचिंग के फील्ड में, क्योंकि उन्होंने 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा जो इंटरनेशनल रिप्यूट एथलीट्स हैं उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग दी, उन्होंने उनको प्रिपेयर किया ताकि वो किसी भी अपने रेस्पेक्टिव फील्ड्स जो हैं उनमें उन्होंने डिफरेंट फील्ड्स में उन्होंने अपनी कंट्री के लिए मेडल्स लाए. ये अवार्ड जो है, इसमें से एक अवार्डी को 15 लाख रुपीस कैश प्राइज मिलता है और एक स्टैचुएट मिलता है द्रोणाचार्य का, स्क्रॉल, ब्लेजर एंड अ टाई. द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया प्रेजेंट्स दिस अवार्ड every year on 29th of August. 29th of August. The President of India presents this award on 29th of August, which is said to be the birthday of hockey wizard Dhyan Chand, Olympian. Dhyan Chand, ओलंपियन. उसके बाद नंबर 4th, नंबर 4th इज मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद ट्रॉफी. मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद ट्रॉफी. This running trophy was instituted by the government of India in the year 1956-57. 1956 and 57 in the memory of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the former Education Minister of India. The trophy is awarded annually by the President of India to the universities, to the different varieties, the different universities who have the outstanding contribution in the field of games and sports, who have the best overall performance, or we can say who have the best overall performance. In this award, the university receives a replica of a trophy, a replica of a trophy and a cash prize of 15 lakh. And a cash prize of 15 lakh. For the promotion of university sports. This cash prize, it is for the promotion of university sports. यूनिवर्सिटी स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, उसके प्रमोशन के लिए, उसके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए, जो स्पोर्ट्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है यूनिवर्सिटी का, उसको बढ़ाने के लिए ये पैसे दिए जाते हैं. गुरु नानक देव यूनिवर्सिटी पंजाब, उन्होंने ये खिताब 22 टाइम्स जीता है, 22 टाइम्स. Followed by Punjab University, Chandigarh. They have won this award 15 times. 15 times. उसके बाद दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी 14 times. तो ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है उन खिलाड़ियों को जिनका ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है, यूनिवर्सिटीज को. ये प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया देते हैं जिस यूनिवर्सिटी का आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन हो स्पोर्ट्स में. जो इंटर यूनिवर्सिटी कंपटीशंस होते हैं, ये सबसे ज्यादा, मतलब जो इसमें से खिलाड़ी होते हैं वो सबसे ज्यादा विनर्स इसी यूनिवर्सिटी के होते हैं, जिन्होंने डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स में, इनके जो खिलाड़ी हैं, इस यूनिवर्सिटी के जो खिलाड़ी हैं, वो डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटी कंपटीशंस में मेडल्स लाते हैं. तो तब जाकर के इस यूनिवर्सिटी को, उन यूनिवर्सिटीज को यह अवार्ड दिया जाता है. कुछ मिनट